Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y50 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone on your phone Vivo Y50. First of all, go to the settings smartphone and click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 incoming call ringtone, and here you can select tone. These are all the system ringtones. Just select any one. Otherwise, you can set custom ringtone. Click here for custom ringtone, and if you have any music file in your local folder, you can select that. Here I have only one file and that's showing now. In a similar way, click on SIM2 incoming call ringtone, and here you can select from the system ringtone or custom ringtone. These are all the custom ringtones and these are all the system ringtones. Just select any one and go back to activate. Then click on SIM1 message tone. Here also you can select from custom ringtone or select from system tone. And SIM2 message tone, this is also similar to what I have done earlier. You can either choose from custom ringtone or system ringtones. Click on calendar alert ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done earlier for ringtone and SIM message tone. Just select from the custom ringtone or system ringtone. Click on notification ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done earlier, custom ringtone or system ringtone. Just select any one to activate. Click on alarm ringtone. Here also you can select from custom ringtone or system ringtone. As I have only one music file that's showing here, I don't have much music file. And next you can control some tones like touch tone, etc. This is dial pad touch tone. Touch sound turn on or turn off. Screen lock sound turn on or turn off. Screen capture sound, message sent sound. So in this way you can easily set ringtone and control other tones on your phone Vivo Y50. That's all friends. Bye.